Hello and welcome. In this video, we will take a look at clues of the investigation. Clues, also called symptoms, are essentially indicators of a problem, which is the thing that we are trying to solve. So let's see how we can add clues and work with clues. So I'm on the fishbone page. This is one place on which we can add clues. So there is this QED clues panel. You can click on it here, and you can click on the plus icon, and you can add a clue. Having added a clue, we can pin them, and we will take a look at that to any of these causes. The other way that we can add a clue is, if I'm sure that I want to add this clue and pin it to, let's say, the selected cause, which is query issue, I can right click or I can click on these triple dots, and there is this link here called add clue. I can click on it here. So there is yet another place where we can do that from, but we'll come to it. So let's say I want to use this plus icon here. So I want to add a clue. Let's say I need to choose a component. This is the layer of the tech stack where I want this clue to be recorded, where I see it in my log, and hence I want to record it. So let's say I want to do it in my app. I have to choose a category, whether it's an error or a warning or others. So let's say it's errors. And let's say something like database connection lost. I need to record a time at which this happened. As of now, I'll just pick up whatever time I get here, and I can play with this time, of course. Add clue, and then this clue gets added. Now, having done this, what I can do is I can actually pin this clue to the app issue, for which I just select my app issue and I click on this pin icon, and it gets pinned. Now notice carefully that once it gets pinned, this is no longer visible on this panel, but that is because my selected node is my app issue. I select any other node, say I go to my network issue, and I can see this clue again is available for pinning. Now there is this triple dot that if I go here, there are a couple of things that I can do. Just like for causes, I can add notes here, and again, just like for causes, I can add attachments here. There are other things like mark a clue, and as of now, when I added a clue, it is actually marked as a clue. If I unmark this, we will notice that it will disappear from this panel because it will remain a symptom, but it will not be a clue. And of course, we can delete it, edit it. Now, I promised that there is another way in which we could add a clue, and I didn't show it. So let me do that. So there is this, right now we're on the fishbone page. We can navigate to another page that we have in this product, which is called the symptoms page. And if we go there, we will find that this my app component has a clue in the errors category. Remember, this database connection lost is what we had entered. And by the way, this bulb icon is lit, which essentially means that the clue is marked. If we click on it once, we can unmark it, we can confirm, and you will find that the bulb is not lit anymore. But I want to keep it marked, so I'll just go to mark it again. And that's that. So we can enter symptoms or clues from here as well. So all we have to do is click on this plus sign. Now let's say I want to enter it in my web, and I still want to keep it as errors, and there's something like, there we go, event time. Just need to click on the time, select a time, and then add clue. And now we will notice that this will get added, though this is still on my app. Well, now if I go to my web errors and I click here, you'll find that Turner Server 1 has been added. More importantly, I will now navigate to the fishbone page, where we will see now that there are two icons here. And if we wish, we can pin this newly added clue. I can go to my web issue and I can pin, and that's it. In case we don't want to pin it, I can click on this bulb icon here. This bulb icon indicates that there is a clue pinned here. I can actually go and unpin it. If it asks me to confirm, I will confirm, unpin, and the clue will be unpinned and it's back on the panel. Let me just pin it back. I want it to remain there. And that's it. So this is how we work with clues. At a later video, we will see the critical role that these clues have to play in the course of our investigation. Thank you.